Hey guys, today I want to show how to create a comments in CSS. So first step, need to open the Sublime text editor and we need to create two files with HTML and with CSS. So this will be a HTML and save this file and the name will be index.html and the second will be a CSS and the name will be a style.css and here is this file and the HTML. If you write HTML and the tab and here is the HTML structure. So first step, so the title will be the comments, and first step, need to get this file and we need to write this link. So this is a CSS file and the name will be style.css and here we'll get this CSS file and the body will write paragraph. So this is a text. This is a text. Yeah, and close this element. Yeah, and here if you write, so if you want to change this color, for example the paragraph color to red, color will be the red, and if you open, so this text will be this color will be a red, and if you write to I want to this to text align, for example to the center, and here will be this text. So the comments are used to explain the code and many help when and may help when you edit this source code at the later date. So the comments are ignored but the browser. So in the CSS to write comments need to write this. So this is a comment and so yeah, so this is a comment and here you can end this comment. If you refresh, so the result is the same. So the comments are ignored by the browser. You can write here and the result is the same, and you can write a multi-line. So this is a comment. This is multi-line comment. Yeah, so this will be the case. Yeah, and if you refresh, so this is the same. So in the HTML, if you want to write a command, need to write this. So this will be a command. This is a command, and you can end for this. Yeah, and if you refresh, so the result is the same. So thank you for watching and see you later.